In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Google Drive app. If you're encountering any challenge with your app, maybe your app is not opening, it keeps on stopping, or it is too slow, or you can't use it totally, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix your app, first you need to access your app info page in the first method. To do that, just go to settings, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Drive, and if you tap on it, here is our app. Here you want first to force stop the app to stop any background activities that might be causing the issue, and then go to clear data and tap on clear cache and OK. And again, you want to clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to Google Drive app and open it, now it should be working without any issue. But should you still encounter a challenge at this moment, then you want to take a further step and see if we have an update on your app. For that, go to Google Play Store, then search for your Google Drive and update your app to the latest version. But in case your issue is your app keeps on stopping, then you'll need to uninstall Google Drive and install it afresh to fix this error. You also want to check and see if you are using any VPN on your smartphone or any proxy app. Try turning it off. This most cases will fix the issue you are encountering. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.